Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. We've reviewed the top 4 best gazebos for small patios, and we're excited to share our findings with you. Let's dive right in. Sunjoy Hardtop Gazebo 9x9 FT. First up, we have the Sunjoy Hardtop Gazebo, measuring 9x9 feet. It features a stunning cedar frame design, with a brown steel and polycarbonate hip roof that provides excellent shade. Perfect for garden and backyard spaces, this gazebo is built to last and withstand the elements. Sajeg 8x8 FT Dakota Hardtop Gazebo. Next is the Sajeg 8x8 feet Dakota Hardtop Gazebo. Its weather-resistant aluminum frame makes it ideal for year-round use, and the sun shelter provides the perfect escape from the sun. With its elegant design, this gazebo is sure to be a great addition to any outdoor space. Purple Leaf 10x12 FT Outdoor Hardtop Gazebo. Moving on to the Purple Leaf 10x12 feet Outdoor Hardtop Gazebo. This beauty features a galvanized steel double roof and a teak-finished, coated aluminum frame. It's a fantastic choice for patio spaces, and its included netting offers additional protection from bugs and other pesky critters. YITAHOME 10x12 FT Hardtop Gazebo. Last but not least, we have the YITAHOME 10x12 feet Hardtop Gazebo. This gazebo stands out with its unique horizontal and vertical stripe design on the roof. The heavy-duty galvanized steel construction ensures durability, and the included nettings and curtains provide both privacy and protection from the elements. And there you have it, our top 4 picks for the best gazebos for small patios. Each of these gazebos offers something special, so you're sure to find the perfect fit for your outdoor space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.